Hi friends, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs and you are so welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of this Christmassy festive series of videos. This is the second one of 3 preparation videos. Yesterday I showed you the most important supplies that we are going to need. And today I will talk about the daily routine, which is something to warm you up, something to make the whole process more enjoyable. And this routine can be different for everyone. And some days you might need more time to sit and sketch, paint or draw, and some days you need just 5 minutes, and it really depends on your mood, how you feel, and if you are more stressed or nervous, or it was quite busy period at home or at work or whatever, then you might need a longer starting routine to just make this daily habit happen more calmly and enjoyable. And I will link below a checklist with some steps that sometimes I do all of them, sometimes I don't do any of them. It really depends on the day, but you can find these steps for starting a routine, how to make your art process more fun and relaxing at the same time. Yeah. And sometimes it can be that you need to make your favorite tea or coffee. Sometimes you probably need to turn on a special music. It's Christmas, so we like to listen these holiday songs on the backgrounds. Or you just need to lighten a candle, and then it already gives you the mood that you need. Sometimes it could be that you need to go for a walk, maybe outside or maybe in the city. Sometimes you probably need short walk or a longer. Sometimes you might want to bring your supplies with you and just sit and sketch somewhere outside. Everyone is different, so this starting routine could be different for every one of us, and it could be different every day. But if you find something that works for you, you can definitely keep doing it. So you can start with finding your comfortable place that you feel definitely you feel that you switch off your busy mind and that you will enjoy the process, no matter if you are sitting to create for 10 minutes or 1 hour. And remember that if you find the inspiration, you don't have to warm up every time. If you feel the inspiration and you really need to put it on the paper, go for it. But if you feel like, okay, I really need something to help me turn on my creative mood, then you probably need this 1 to 3 steps of a starting routine to make this whole art journey on a daily basis happening. And on this channel I like to show you watercolor sketching techniques, which allows us to make mistakes, to learn from them, to enjoy the whole process, to get messy, to break some rules like watercolor rules, to not be focused on water control or how to mix colors or all this kind of stuff. I really want to make it fun and to make it enjoyable, so you will always make time for your hobby. So yeah, I think that's kind of the thing for the daily routine and the starting up routine that can help you really bring this art activity or hobby and to do something small for yourself every day in your sketchbook or just on the paper. And it's not only about watercolors and sketching and painting, but it's probably about everything, that when you have something small to give the sign that it's time for creativity, then your mind is kind of switching between the busy life and your calm moment quite fast. So I hope this whole story makes sense for you, and I hope that you will find your own daily routine. And I will need you to ask yourself the question, do I get creative easily in the morning or around lunch or in the evening? So if I am posting this video in the afternoon, but you are quite creative in the morning, then you can definitely leave it for tomorrow and sit and paint in, or sketch in the morning. That's absolutely fine. And I don't want you to speed up too much. Just follow the videos. Maybe some days you will want to sketch 2-3 of the illustrations, and you will skip some days. Just don't push yourself too much, don't be too hard on yourself, and if you don't feel the inspiration of sitting and sketching, just skip a day and that's gonna be fine. We don't have any deadlines, and the replays of the videos will be there on my channel, so you will definitely be able to watch at the moment that's the most suitable for you. So as I said, the videos will come in the afternoon here on YouTube. If you need the early access and join in the early morning, you can just check out my Patreon, where all my Patreon members get early access to the YouTube videos, plus the outline or the sketch, if it's needed, that I will provide as a PDF, so you can print, transfer to the watercolor paper and just start quite easily. I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video today. Tomorrow I am talking about the mindset and how to make sure that we will be happy and satisfied in the end of the whole process. So don't miss it out. Subscribe for my channel. This will definitely help me keep making videos for you, and you will for sure not miss any of the coming new videos. And thanks for joining, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.